In this video, we show how to replace the heatsink and processor in a PowerEdge R570. Before working inside your system, read through and follow the safety guidelines to protect your system from potential damage and ensure your personal safety. To remove a heatsink and processor with cover and left air shroud removed, rotate the first nut a few turns, then go to the opposite one. Loosen that one all the way. Then return back to the first nut to finish loosening that one. Once all the nuts are loose, lift the anti-tilt wires up into the unlocked position and then lift the heatsink and processor out of the system. To remove the processor from the heatsink, lift up on the lever to break the seal and then pull the chip out. Disengage all the corners of the bracket from the heatsink. Align the retaining clip and then press down to clip it in place. Apply a thin spiral of thermal paste. Then align and lower the heatsink until it clips in. To install a heatsink and processor, align and lower into the system, and then press the anti-tilt wires to the outward position. And starting with the first nut, tighten that a few turns, then go to the opposite one, tighten that one all the way down. Then return to the first nut and tighten that one all the way down. For more information or assistance about the PowerEdge R570, visit dell.com/support.